Here comes Ronnie Silk battling with Justin Bonsignore.
The crowd is on their feet. What a Saturday afternoon battle that they are watching. Off of turn number 4, Ronnie Silk has the spot. Justin Bonsignore makes some contact.
One time around, white flag is out, and Doug Coby works his way up turn number 4. He will take the checkered flag in the Duel at the Dog 200 at Monadnock Speedway, capturing his first win of the season. Ronnie Silk will come across and win that battle for third, right behind the 79 of John McKennedy. And Bonsignore, he's just going to head right to the pit area at the end of this one.